I, Bayo Lawal,
do solemnly swear
that
I will be faithful
I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Deputy Governor of Oyo State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability.
Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State has sworn in Bayo Lawal as the new Deputy Governor of the state, following the impeachment of Rauf Olaniyan by the State House of Assembly. The swearing-in and oath of office taking was held at the Executive Chamber of the Governor's Office in Ibadan. The developments followed the impeachment of Olaniyan by the State House of Assembly. In his remarks, Makinde said the position of the Deputy Governor was that of trust, saying together they will move the people of the state from poverty to prosperity.
The position of a Deputy Governor is a position of trust. Our masters are the people of Oyo State, and our responsibility is to continue to serve them to the best of our abilities and deliver good governance to them. So let me encourage you to put the interest of the good people of Oyo State first. So our people, they expect so much from us, because to whom much is given, much is expected. We'll continue to work for the good people of Oyo State throughout this season. So, Your Excellency, we look forward to benefiting from your wealth of wisdom and experience. We want to move our people from poverty to prosperity.
Speaking with reporters shortly after the swearing-in, Lawal said he had come to compliment the achievements of the administration in the last 3 years.
The already established achievements recorded by this administration is what I have come on board to compliment. The build-up to this event is hard work. Constitutionally, the position of Deputy Governor is meant to assist the governor, is meant to advise the governor, and is meant to be a co-traveler with the governor of a state. And I know that it's a position of trust. Trust to the Constitution and trust to the appointer, which is the governor of Oyo State. I must not, and I repeat, I must not abuse the privilege granted me by the government. So it's a challenge to me as a person, and it's a challenge to all of us in Oyo State to cooperate with a view of moving the Oyo State government forward in all ramifications.
The News Agency of Nigeria reports that the 68-year-old newly sworn-in Deputy Governor was a former Commissioner of Justice and Attorney General of the state under the administration of the late ex-governor Lamidi Adesina between 1999 and 2003. He was also the current executive chairman of Housing Corporation.